Good morning, guys. How it's going? So this morning, I'm going to start a project that I was doing before, and I stopped working it because we run out of material. So now they get back material and they call me. So this project, we're gonna upload them video by stages. So we're gonna do it like part 1, part 2, part 3. You guys want to take a drive with me over to the job site? Let's go. Let's drive over to the job site. I show you guys what's going on.
Is the source of an outbreak that led to 2 deaths inside a Shelburne seniors home. But after the patient returned testing positive, number of confirmed cases there grew to 6.
So I'm heading out now.
Outbreaks declared at 3 Dufferin County facilities.
You guys can see
Hospital, Dufferin Oaks, and Shelburne residents.
it looks cold out there, but not just looks cold. It's damn cold, man. It's like minus 8 now here in Toronto. But you know, we gotta get the work done. So I'm on my way now to start this new project. I already started, but I run low in material. So you know, she got all the materials now, so I'm just on my way now to try and get it done. I'll have video posted for you guys to see. So stay tuned for that. Here we are, guys. So this is the house that we're gonna be working on. I'll give you guys details of the arches, precast, the octagon windows, everything. I'm gonna go by stages. So I already started, but I still got a bit of work here to do still. Here we are. Still got a bit at the side here as well. How's it going, guys? So here I'm gonna prepare for this wall. I'm gonna set up the corner posts. So basically, I set up my corner posts. 3 nail is more than good enough. Put sometime 2 here, 2 on the other side, or 1 on the other side. So I need to put 2 brick ties. Charlie, I just put a brick tie too. And the reason why I'm putting a brick tie is here because sometimes later on the homeowner decide to parge here, so you want to like step over your brick at least a 1/4 inch over for parging. We're doing our plumbing now. Where it plumps. So after it plumps, usually I put my tape and I measure to make sure I have 4.5 inches. Our 4 3/4 is good as well. So right here is perfect. So when you put your bricks, just like this, you have you're gonna have enough cavity, maybe like 3/4 of an inch. 1/2 inch cavity behind the wall, go all the way up. Now we do this side. Tip, whenever pulling out, always push your corner post up a little bit and pull out. This way it's kind of more easier. Because the weight sometimes come down. That's where it plumbs now. And so here again, I'm gonna check this side. Make sure that we have. So here you see it says 4. So now it's telling you that you need to come out more with that side. So here, I zoom in a little bit. So on this side here, the brick is already started. So what you want to do, you want to measure to see exactly what the measurement you have here. So right here it says 4. So you want to come back and put on your post, measure here and make sure it's 4 inches. See? It's 4 inches. That way you know 100% the line gonna be as straight as possible. That way we are. To get my corner block now. To set up your corner block, basically you wanna put your line in between this this split or cut or whatever you call it, and then you wrap it 2 times, maybe 2 or 3 times, then you put it back inside here again. You go back here, put it in a split. Okay, and then we're gonna run from here, and then we're gonna set up. So this is basically how you set up between a corner. So now set up or a nail. So here, remember down there we measure 4.5. So here you want to do the same. You want to put your measure from your nail to the line 4.5. 4.5 inches, as you see. So each time we lay, we're gonna keep going up 4.5.
And that's basically how we set up to start.
What?
Okay, so basically what I'm doing here, I'm trying to catch the level. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 courses. So we want to work our corner, we want to build our lead at the corner to reach to the same level of those ones. So basically what we're going to do here, my tape. So this is my level mark from the top of that one over there. Now I'm going to measure from the top down. So first you want to check to see what the number of the tape says. Here I'm going to put my level here. And then we're going to measure from the bottom of the foundation hub. See, it says 2. So we want to measure 2 from the top down. So we want to mark 2 here. 2. As you see, it says 2 there. 2 again. And then another 2. And then 2. And over here, gonna set a line on this side now. We need to put a line here. This is a nail. And start with this post. Put a line block. Again, this is how to set up the line block. So for the corner force, you wanna just come as close as possible. Then you go around 3 to 4 times you wrap. And then you go in the split. It just says split. Well, you could call it whatever. Everybody call it a different name, but there we go. So we want to put it at the first mark that we have there. And that's where we're going to start our brick laying from.